Check out this graph of venture capital-backed private token returns. Here are some key challenges in the blockchain and AI investment space. Challenge number 1, domain expertise. With over 30,000 blockchain projects and rapid advancements in AI, it takes a high level of expertise to stay ahead of emerging trends and identify the top opportunities. Challenge number 2, limited access to early-stage unicorns. Tier 1 funds often have the resources and strategic insights to identify early-stage unicorns, making it hard for smaller players to gain access at the earliest stages of growth. Challenge number 3, direct investment in Tier 1 crypto funds. Identification, expertise and continuous monitoring are needed. Access, relationships with top fund managers are crucial. Capital threshold, large capital pools are required for diversification. The C3O solution. Fund structure. A closed-end fund of funds providing a single access point to a carefully selected group of leading crypto and blockchain AI fund managers. Mandate. To build a diversified portfolio of early-stage projects with high growth potential, focusing on investments at the earliest possible valuations. Here is a matrix illustrating Capital 3.0, covering the full range of value creation. Investment strategy overview. A diversified approach integrating investments in blockchain infrastructure, AI-driven decentralized applications, dApps, decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, and private token sales. Utilizing AI for portfolio optimization, predictive analysis, and risk management. Due diligence approach. A thorough vetting process guarantees that the portfolio comprises only high-potential, strategically aligned funds. Includes access to highly sought-after Tier 1 funds, creating a portfolio that balances established blue-chip managers with emerging talent. Let's explore the powerful synergy between AI and blockchain. AI's role in blockchain. AI improves blockchain efficiency by forecasting market trends, automating smart contract processes, and optimizing decentralized networks. Investment in platforms leveraging AI to innovate blockchain solutions, like predictive analytics for DeFi or AI-driven identity management systems, is on the rise. Future prospects. The integration of AI and blockchain is poised to fuel the next generation of technological breakthroughs, unlocking new investment avenues with significant growth potential. Discover how Capital 3.0 opens doors to the future. Capital 3.0 offers a distinctive chance to invest globally in premier crypto assets and AI-integrated blockchain funds. One-stop shop. Get early access to emerging crypto giants and groundbreaking AI technologies through a well-rounded portfolio. Commitment to excellence. Our team's extensive industry expertise, strategic alliances, and thorough due diligence guarantee that we remain at the forefront of the fast-paced blockchain and AI sectors. Become a part of the highly anticipated project, Capital 3.0, and position yourself to take advantage of the upcoming Web 3.0 and AI revolution. Stay updated through our official channels for details on the investment process, allocation strategy, and partnership opportunities. Thank you for choosing Capital 3.0.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here for this wonderful event. As you know, that it is Sunday and it is masterclass training. And our masterclass trainer, a masterful trainer, is here. Trashit hails from India, Gujarat, India, where he has been in business for quite some time and a business a man with great acumen for business. He has started his own company called Dream Billions. And the brilliant thing about that is he's not only dreaming it, he is making it happen for himself and the other crypto enthusiasts that he associates with. But he is the brainchild behind his business and its success. Trashit comes from an engineering background, as that it was the primary education that he majored in. And so he has a great understanding of the technology behind all of this in We Are All Satoshi. He has been in the We Are All Satoshi since its inception and this type of industry for quite some time. And that is why he is masterful at sharing what he knows with us. So, Trashit, thank you so much for being here. The floor is yours.
Thank you, Grace, and welcome everybody on this weekend call where learning are an integral part of these presentations. And why do we have a need for learning? Because we are in a segment where we are earning. So there is no learning without earning, and there is no earning without learning. They both complement each other. And specifically for that reason, we have designed this segment, especially this master training, in a way that can help you take knowledge and perfectly apply that knowledge towards your sales, towards earning your money, not just sales, but even to enjoy the benefits of the groundbreaking products that we are having in this ecosystem. So once again, I welcome each and everybody. I'm from India. I'm Rashid Gehlot, and I have the privilege to work with great minds in this crypto and blockchain industry. Few years back, I came across this gentleman called Chavez, who is the owner, creator, the developer, everything to this project. And since then, we have been closely learning from him, earning from him, and as a mentor, as a leader, as a person who has been able to manage team, I have gained some knowledge, and that knowledge we will today try to pass it on to you all. So welcome, welcome, welcome to the master training. Without wasting much time, we will quickly jump onto the presentation and let us begin. So this is master workshop on WAAS, BTCC, Capital 3.0, and in fact, the entire ecosystem that we are developing in this in this We Are All Satoshi affiliate marketing model. We have something very exclusive in this ecosystem, because as a client, you can definitely reap benefits of the products, but as an affiliate marketer, we have a very sustainable and rewarding platform through which you can earn passive income through your leadership, through your team building. That is all we are going to cover in this presentation, in this workshop. In fact, before we begin, these disclaimers are very important for us to align on the same page. Let me quickly walk you through this general and legal disclaimer.
General disclaimer. Welcome to the We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general, not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide information and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone. So we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing a We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All products, services, their component parts and operating methods and systems either provided by or created by We Are All Satoshi belong solely to We Are All Satoshi. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing, or reselling any We Are All Satoshi product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming, or social media sharing of We're All Satoshi presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may lead to legal consequences.
Thank you for understanding these general and legal disclaimers. These are a crucial point of the presentation, and in a way, they make sure that we as a presenter are compliant to the project that we are presenting. So let us begin with a thought that one of my mentor, instilled in me at a very young age. He asked me, "How big would you dream if you know you wouldn't fail?" Just read this thought over and over in your mind, and you will realize how much potential you are having. And if that potential you have is complemented with a tool through which you can achieve success, any dream that you can dream of is possible. So again, I'll repeat, how big would you dream if you knew you wouldn't fail? Why I'm starting my workshop with this statement, because over here we have something that is very, very credible. The products that we are building, the community that we are building, the ecosystem that we are building is something very much we can rely on. It is one of the most credible systems that I have been fortunate to work with and present to you. And in fact, the products and the projects that we are launching almost every month, every week, this is all gonna build so big in numbers, in volumes, in business, in sales. We are gonna create history with this. So stay tuned with this, because you are right now with one of the best projects that you have in the crypto and blockchain space, and you are gonna be making, or at least becoming, a millionaire. So We Are All Satoshi, it's a gateway to innovative and financial freedom. We Are All Satoshi, how do you describe that? It is an opportunity, of course, but it gives equal benefits to clients who use or consume the products, as well as affiliate marketers. In fact, affiliate marketers have more advantage, because with teams, they can build big and they can earn big. But we don't leave our investors behind. Investors have equal opportunity, because our products are, in a way, residual income generating products. So it's like a marketplace. How do you describe WAAS? It's like a marketplace with a strong foundation in crypto and blockchain and AI technology. We offer groundbreaking products with limitless earning potentials. We also have an affiliate marketing model that complements the products. And with this affiliate marketing model, you have an advantage of earning passive through team building, through your leadership. So it's like a marketplace. Now, who is behind all this? Who is mentoring, developing, creating everything? 28 years old. He hails from India, none other than Chavez. How do you describe him? You describe him as an innovator, as a technopreneur, as a blockchain and AI expert who not recently, but almost a year back, developed and released his own decentralized blockchain. This blockchain is far more compliant compared to any other existing blockchain. And we have something very unique associated with this blockchain that we'll take in the further presentation. He is creating groundbreaking technologies, products, and delivering projects which are very, very unique and highly rewarding. He is recreating history. He is reshaping the industry because he believes in bringing change. So with his all hard work and efforts that he's putting into this, he is make sure that this community who trusts him, who works with him, gains benefit. And all our products are designed in a way to give you that benefit, some in short term, some in long term, but they definitely are very, very credible and highly rewarding products. So one by one, if we go through the products, we have BTC20 Smart Chain. This is the blockchain that we released almost a year back. On 3rd of October, we mined our first BTCC. In fact, we started mining our first BTCC. That will be the correct way to present that. So we have our in-house blockchain, a decentralized blockchain. And with this blockchain, we are EVM compliant platform. We also have a mining ecosystem associated with this smart chain. And that mining system practically supplies the native coin of this blockchain that's called BTCC, the Bitcoin code. Now, the fun fact about Bitcoin code is it is on the exact roadmap of Bitcoin, and we often call it the Bitcoin 2.0. So this is like a 140 years of mining journey that we all are going to cover. So this product is very unique, and it gives an opportunity to everybody who have missed the era of 2009 when Bitcoin was released. Second, we also have nodes and validators offering from associated to this blockchain. Of course, when a coin comes through supply, and it's a native coin of a blockchain, then nodes and validator are the key components of sustaining or stabilizing the blockchain. So we have our in-house nodes and validators offering as well. Please make sure this products, nodes and validator, they give you generational income. That means not just you, but your next generation is also going to benefit. Then we have our own crypto credit card, because whatever we are earning, we would like to have no limitation in spending across the globe. So crypto credit card offers a unique payment solution across the world, across the globe, using your crypto assets. Then we have Capital 3.0. This is a product designed for the next bull run, and today we are going to cover this product very, very, with every details that we can in this master workshop. So Capital 3.0 is specially designed for the next crypto bull run, and we are gonna position ourselves way ahead of this crypto bull run, and we are gonna make money, real money. Then there are few products that are about to be released. BTCC P2P platform that's gonna bring the entire world onto our blockchain. Then index trading platform. This is a live product. Of course, it is not yet available to the community, but the development and everything has been done. In fact, it has also been sold in B2B, and this is a working product that will soon be introduced to the community as well. So with all the products that have been in our business suite, so again, think of that line. What if, how big would you dream if you knew you wouldn't fail? Because with this range of products, we seem to visualize a limitless earning potential. 140 years of mining journey. Nodes are gonna benefit you as long as the blockchain is gonna exist. And is there any end to any blockchain? Never ever. Crypto credit card, Capital 3.0. In fact, this Capital 3.0 has been designed in a way that everybody is going to benefit, not just in bull run, but even in the bearish trend of the crypto market, we are going to capitalize. So today we are going to cover Capital 3.0, and I'll brief you. I'll help you understand what this product is all about, and make sure you are in line with this presentation, because this will give you much clarity on how we are gonna put ourselves in a very good position before the crypto bull run. So Capital 3.0, in plain and simple words, is an early access given to us all to the potential unicorn projects. These projects will be launched in the next crypto bull run, right, in the market. And once they are launched, we are going to capitalize it. The minimum assurity given here on returns is 5x from Chavez as a product on Capital 3.0. So bull runs, what is bull runs? We have seen in the crypto market, after the Bitcoin's halving, the entire crypto market trends to go into a bullish trend. So that way, almost all crypto assets, the coins and tokens, they tend to grow in value, increase in value. So this trend is called crypto bull run, and almost all the crypto enthusiasts are waiting for this crypto bull run, and it usually happens in every 4 years, because that's how the Bitcoin's halving has been designed. So every 4 years we get this opportunity. So that means if you are missing this opportunity, you are only going to get this opportunity in the next 4 years. So that is why this product is very, very important and very crucial for you to take part in this product in a definite timeline. If you miss the timeline, you're going to be left behind. Remember, you did not knew about Bitcoin back in 2009. Many of us didn't knew until 2012, the first halving, 2016, the second halving. In fact, myself, I started working around 2022 in this crypto trend, 2021, I think. Yeah, 2021. So ignorance is, of course, a bliss, but ignoring things, it's not going to take you anywhere. So crypto bull runs, this is the trend in the crypto market where most of the unicorn projects are launched. Now, what is meant by unicorn projects? Unicorn projects are potential projects which are about to be launched, and they have a potential to grow in value, maybe 10x to 50x to 100x. And this is like a boon for early investments. Who makes usually money from this? Unicorn projects, the people, the funds, the VCs, the seeds who invest early into a project. Have you ever bought a real estate property? You will always discover that an under construction property will always benefit you, because the value of that property is less when it's under construction. So projects, when invested early, before their public listing, they give you benefits, maybe 10x to 50x to 100x. But there is a channel, there is a syndicate through which the investments goes into this unicorn projects. Now it is not possible for anybody to have resources, have all the connection, and still be able to work with this top tier funds. So how do we do that? So Chavez, with his resources, with his fund managers, he is giving us an possibility to invest early into this unicorn projects, which may seem not possible for everybody. But through his unique affiliate marketing model and through his resources, through his expertise, through his connections, he is bringing this opportunity to us, which if we fail to encash, will only benefit us after maybe next 4 years. So Capital 3.0, it's exclusively available in We Are All Satoshi, and the minimum assured value is 5x on your ROC. So this is a workshop, so I'll demonstrate the live setups as well, where you can buy the project and everything. So on the WAAS, of course, you need to have a WAAS account through which a back office will be provided to you. And on this back office, you can go to subscriptions, and over here you can see Capital 3.0. So there are 7 packages starting from $100, and the potential earning on each package is 5x. So with $100, you will be able to claim at least 5x, that is 500. I hope this is clear. Now, we are taking an example of $1,000 throughout the presentation, and all the numbers, all the calculation are our understanding of the project. Please do your own due diligence. This is very important. And all the numbers are just to provide you an idea of how the calculations would be. But the real-time calculation will differ in value. The process will differ in value. Everything is going to be different. We are just giving you an overall estimate of how things or how the numbers will work for you. So with $1,000 package, if you buy on C3O, like it's mentioned over here, 65% goes to the affiliate network distribution, and 35% becomes your vested capital. And this vested capital it's put to compounding, at 2% daily, and this 2% daily grows to $500 for you. So if we are taking an example of $1,000, 65% goes into affiliate incentives, 35% becomes your vested capital. So what is vested capital? So the vested capital is the amount left after the deduction of affiliate commissions, right? So over here, you can see the 35% of all packages becomes your vested capital. All right. So vested capital, it is compounded at 2% daily, and you receive ROC, returns on capital, in token 3.0. Although it's mentioned in dollar value over here, but that's a potential earning. Now, when the 35% is compounded daily, for $1,000, it's $350. It gives you 5x. That is 5,000 of the initial package. Over here, you can see the $1,000 package. It gives you 5,000. All right. So potential earning is $5,000, but this $5,000 you are getting in token 3.0. You do not get this back in USDT or any other crypto assets. You get this in token 3.0, and this token 3.0 is a stable coin, and it has $1 value. So in fact, not 5,000, but you are gonna get 5,000 token 3.0, which is having a dollar value. So that means you are having an asset as token 3.0, which is 5x of your initial package. So if you put this number and through any compounding calculator, if you go through this, so $350 at 2% daily interest rate and 135 days approx, this gives you 5,000. So your capital initial balance is, your capital is 350 and 4,720 is your interest or earnings, right? But you're getting this in token 3.0. So what is token 3.0? Now this is a coin, not coin, a token specially designed for this product in our own ecosystem. It has no value outside, but it has a value which in a way can give you a value in the outside world. So how? This token cannot be bought, token cannot be sold, this token cannot be transferred. You only collect this token through 2% daily compounding. It is a stable coin, and each coin has a $1 value. All right. And this coin, this token, can only be swapped to project tokens. I hope this coin is clear to you all. Now, what are project tokens? So we all know that when this unicorn projects are launched, they have seed funding rounds. Where they take initial investment from the IP, from the investors, from the seeds, from the funds, and this deal is often, it's finalized in terms of the coins, which is like a IP to the project. So IP is intellectual properties. So we will see that many of the blockchains, when they were launched, each blockchain is having its unique coin, and that coin provides a unique value to the project, right? Like if we speak of Solana, if we speak of XRP, these are all blockchain technologies which were launched in this crypto and blockchain domain, and they were tokenized. They were associated with a IP, right? Through which its value can be determined. Like in the institutional financial market, we have shares and stocks. So if the shares value is increasing, that means the company is making profit. If the shares value is decreasing, that means the company is making a loss. So in a way, the IPs, the tokens, they give value to the project. So often the deals are done in terms of project tokens, right? So in the pre-launch seed funding round, these tokens are allocated to VCs and seed investors against their investments. So seed investors get these tokens in allocations. Now, what is allocation? Let's get to that point. So you would have often heard from Chavez, allocation is in November, allocation is in December. So what does allocation means? Allocation means early investment through seed funding into a potential unicorn project, even before the launch. That's called allocation. A deal is provided at the time of allocation. The investments are allocated in terms of project tokens, and the project tokens are often offered at a low value before the launch. Okay. For example, Solana. Solana was offered at $0.20 in the seed rounds in June 2008. And I will back this up. I will show you also. So if you go to icodrops.com, you will have information on all the seed rounds on any coins, any project. So let's hunt Solana. Let's explore Solana. So if you go to Solana over here, and you don't need to go through all the, see there are, everything is listed over here because the investments are through proper channel and the funds, they are public. So everything is listed over here with time and with timestamp as well as the volume they raise through this seed investments. So like you can see over here, in November 2017, the white paper of Solana was published. February 2018, single node testnet was released. June 2018, multi-node testnet was released. And July 2028, public testnet was released. And if you scroll through this, you will find the list of strategic partners, staking partners, everybody. And see this. I hope you all can see this. And if you notice, in March 2018, the seed rounds, the first seed rounds raised $3.2 million, and the token Solana was provided to all the seed investors at $0.04. Not even 0.2, it was at $0.04. And what is the value of Solana as of now? Let's go to CoinMarketCap. And again, we search for Solana. $145. It is right now. Right now it is $145. But would you track the all-time? Should we track all-time high? So all-time high, $260. Anybody who would have invested $0.04 in a coin, and if that coin went to all-time high, $260, how many times this is? How many times this is? I hope you are getting a clear idea how this seed fund rounds are are conducted. So, in July 2018, the second round, June 2018, the second round, this coin, it raised $12.6 million, and the coin was offered at 0.20 per token. All right, allocations clear now. Now we will take two case studies over here. You are now acquainted with all the terms, right? So now we will go to the case studies. So first of all, we will take the case study of passive investors. So considering again the example of $1,000, the vested capital is $350, and with 2% daily compounding, you receive token 3.0. So if you compound this $350 for 30 days, you get approx $630. Like if you compound for 30 days, you get approx $630. All right. This is in tokens you receive, right? And if you continue the same compounding without any allocations, you are not investing, you are not taking out your returns. Even the returns that you are getting, you're putting it back into the capital. So that's what called compounding, right? You are getting interest on interests. So if you continue without any allocation, so in 60 days, this amount would be 1140 in tokens. And if you allocate, then it will take some more time to get to this figure. So in approx 138 days, 135 days, you will have 5,000 or more tokens. But the timeline is 5x. The limit is 5x. So you get 5x in approx 138 to 135 days if you are not participating in any allocation. If you are participating, then that interest is taken out of the system. So it will take more than 138 days. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now these figures, they include the initial balance as well. So at the time of allocation, right, the tokens that you have accumulated as rewards, only those tokens are available for allocations. I'll help you understand with the WAAS back office. So right now, if I go to Capital 3.0 history, you can see this package was bought on 19 September of $100 value, right? And it's active. So as I purchase this $100 value Capital 3.0 package, I receive 5x over here. And it shows as remaining 5x. So this section over here, which you can see this over here, it shows $500, right? And the rewards, whatever rewards I'm getting, this is displayed over here in the Capital 3.0 token wallet. So whatever value you are seeing over here, this is your rewards that you have accumulated until today. Any day when you see these numbers, this is the tokens that are available for you for allocations. So at the time of allocations, only the ones available for allocation would be the accumulated rewards. So that means whatever value you are having, if you are having 20 US dollars, so that means 20 US dollars, 20 tokens you would be able to invest into allocations. If you're having 200, 2000, as many tokens you are having over here, because this excludes vested capital. This is pure rewards that you're getting, and this rewards in token 3.0 you will be able to invest into allocations. So if we are considering like in 60 days the tokens accumulated is 1140, of this 350 is the vested fund, that is the capital, and 790 is left for as rewards, and it is available for allocation. We are considering the same example Solana. So like Solana, let us say we have an allocation of Solana, and Solana was provided to us at $0.20, and it was mentioned like 30% of your assets over here, like 30% of your assets over here you will be able to invest. So the tokens available for allocation is 790, right? So 30% of 790 is 237 tokens, which we will be able to invest into allocations, into unicorn projects. So Solana available at 0.30, and we have 7 tokens. So with this, if you calculate 237 divided by 0.20, so that's 1,185 Solana coins you will be getting as project tokens. In a way, your token 3.0, you have been able to cash out to or swap to project tokens. So now you are having project tokens over here. So which is the project? Project is Solana. So that means you are having Solana as project tokens. How many tokens? 1,185, because Solana was provided to you at $0.20 and you had 237 tokens. So 237 tokens swapped at 0.20, you receive 1,185 Solana coins. All right. I hope this is clear. So after allocation, what will happen? After allocation, you have already used your accumulated rewards. So again, your compounding will start from $350. So it will take more than 138 days, right, to get to your 5x. But the compounding will still continue in spite of you using these assets. So it will take more days, but you will still be able to make 5x of your initial package. But you are also having 1,185 Solana coins, right? So even these are left to be cashed out at the time of project listings. So what is project listing? Project listings means the allocations were provided to you, and in a way, you were assured, you were guaranteed that the project will be launched. And when these projects are launched, the project, it's called project listings. The day when the project token is launched, it is the project tokens are made public and you can buy and sell on the project tokens. So the project tokens can be cashed out on the first day of the project listing. So over here, when the project is listed, here the responsibility of Chavez, it is wiped out. He has done his job. If you are able to swap 237 token 3.0 to 1185 Solana, and when Solana gets public and you are able to sell this 1185 Solana, yours Chavez responsibility is over. I'll help you understand. So again, considering the example of Solana, Solana was made public at $0.90 when it went into exchanges. On the first day, it was listed at $0.90. So often we will get this opportunity. The allocation and project listing would be on the very same day. Maybe you will have some allocations in which you will be able to cash out the entire amount on the very first day, or maybe there will be a vesting limitations, like maybe partially you can cash out on the first day, then some other vesting period. But eventually, everybody will be able to cash out their project token. That's important. All right. So at the project listing, what will happen? It is often called the TG, the token generation event. Now you have 1,185 Solana. You have an option to cash it out on the very first day. And the value that you will receive on the very first day, it will be minimum the allocation value that is provided to you, or it will be more than that. So do you remember Solana was offered at $0.20? It was offered at 20 cents. And at the time of listing, it was 90 cents. So you already are making a profit, right? So if you cash out your entire 1,185 Solana, you will receive 1,066. And this way you cashed out. You cashed out your 237 token 3.0. Okay. This is how from an investment of $1,000, you went to token 3.0. Some part of it is still compounding, but whatever rewards that you have accumulated, you are able to convert them into project tokens. And through these project tokens, you are able to cash out. I hope the simple flow of this event will be clear to you all, right? So now this is your choice now. If you don't want to cash out on the very first day, it will be absolutely your risk and your loss. This will be up to you to decide if you want to cash out on the first day or not. But when you do research, or maybe if you think Solana has potential, so you would like to hold some Solana. Maybe on the first day, you would like to cash out only 400 Solana. And on the first day, it was listed at 0.90. You cashed out $360, right? Again, you had some need, or you felt like, at $1.60, you should cash out some more. So you cashed out $640. Then again, the remaining Solana, you cashed out at when it went to $5.20. You made $2,000. And can you imagine Solana went to 270, 75, how much it was? $260. Solana went to all-time high to $60. Oh, sorry. right? So if you want to hold some project tokens, if you want to cash out some project tokens, that is absolutely you. Over here, when the project goes into public, Chavez responsibility is over. I hope you're getting the gist of it. Now, if you do this mathematics, if you do this simple mathematics, you made over $3,000. And let us assume it takes like maybe a year. Maybe a year. Like by the end of 2025, you make this amount, right? But don't forget, this was just the first allocation in which you used only 237 coins. And how many coins you are having? You started with $1,000 minus 237. You are still left with almost 4,763. Yes, 63. So just imagine with a number of allocations, when you will be able to spend this, how much money you will be able to make. I hope now you would have some clarity on Capital 3.0 and the potential this product is having. So right now, just 237 cashed out $3,000 for you. Again, these are all numbers. I'm just giving you for the sake of understanding. Another thing can happen. You were presuming that it will go to $260, but instead it went to $0.50. Even this can happen. But that was your decision and your risk to take. So it all depends on how wisely you choose to participate. And if with all the resources, all the knowledge, if you participate at the right time, you will always benefit from an opportunity. This is an opportunity, right? Now for the affiliates, let us take second case study. For affiliates, considering $1,000 example, same example, vested capital for them also, it becomes $350, right? So $350 compounded at 2% daily, it grows to 1,140 tokens, right? And affiliate commissions, like in 60 days, an affiliate marketer will not sit idle, right? If you see the potential of the product, why would you not like to sell it? So maybe through affiliate commission, you make $3,860. In a way, the total is 5,000, and you have finished your limit of your package. What has been assured is 5x of your package value. So 1,000 grows to 5,000 and your package is over. Now you again have to rebuy a Capital 3.0 package. But the best part is this you receive as token 3.0 and this you receive as TRC20. Now, if you don't see any need for urgent read or whatever amount you are comfortable with, you can put it back into the system. It will create more tokens for you. And in a way, you can compound separately, right? So this cycle can continue, and Chavez is making sure that not just in the bull run, but we continue with this product even in the bearish trend. So for affiliates, it is an advantage that they can make 5x faster compared to traditional investors. But even the traditional investors, they have equal opportunity, right? So through affiliate, you can earn in TRC20, and through token 3.0, you earn in token 3.0. So anyway, you are making 5x through any means. You are making 5x of your package value. Now let me take you back to the WAAS back office. So over here, you can see right here, right? So the remaining 5x was 500 because the package value was $100, right? So remaining 5x was 500. And as you can see, 78 was withdrawn in TRC20. That's affiliate commissions. And if you scroll down over here, almost $20 are available for ROI from the ROI thing. So $20 more over here, right? And 393 is left. So overall, whatever you are claiming from commissions, affiliate commissions, as well as whatever ROI that you accumulate over here, everything counts into 5x. So affiliates, they make 5x faster. Institutional or traditional investors, they take their time, but they have equal opportunity, right? And this, of course, will be your choice. The decision will always be yours. So now I will help you understand this thing through an Excel sheet. You will have much clarity and you will get the the gist of everything. So over here, as you can see, the WAAS package of $1,000 gives you a potential earning of 5x, that is 5,000. You claim this 5,000 through affiliate commissions or through anyway ROI. It depends on you, right? $1,000 value, 65 goes to the affiliate commissions, 35% goes to the vested funds. So over here, this vested fund would be considered for compounding. So $350 when compounded at 2% daily gives you in approx 50 days 942 tokens, right? Again, these are in tokens. Tokens a value of $1. That means you are having an asset worth $940, right? So should we tally it through the compound calculator? $350, and let us take 50 days and calculate. So you have 942, but this 942 includes your vested capital as well. So approx your total interest or earnings would be 592, right? So we go to the next sheet, and here you can see 592 is your tokens available for allocations, right? This initial balance will always be locked for you, or maybe it will be calculated at the last day when you will make 5x, because if this is consumed, there will be no balance left to compound. So you will always be able to use the interest or earnings you accumulate over a 35%. So 592 are available for allocations. Now, what Chavez has mentioned in the last Wednesday call is we have a signed deal for an allocation. Let me stop sharing with you all and let me emphasize on this. Now, Chavez has mentioned that in the month of November, a deal which he has signed recently, that will be our first allocation. It is so big of a allocation that whatever rewards you have accumulated through ROI, through compounding, you will be able to consume that entire amount. It doesn't matter what your Capital 3.0 package is, but everybody will be able to cash out their accumulated rewards on the very first day. And the TGE and the public listing all happens on the very first day when the project goes public. So this allocation which he speaks of is very, very important, because this is a project that has been backed by Binance. Binance, one of the top exchange in the crypto industry. So it's a very big project. Of course, Chavez on this Wednesday call also will brief us all about it. I can only give you, the basic information. But with this, everybody will be able to cash out their entire rewards that they have accumulated. So let me share my screen once again. And so what does that mean? That whatever value you are having in this Capital 3.0 in the first allocation, you will be able to consume entire figure that you are having over here, all the tokens. All right. So let us assume that Solana goes public in November, right? The token we are offered is at $0.20, right? And we are having 592 tokens available for allocations. And like Chavez mentioned, you will be able to consume 100% of these tokens. 100%. That means 592 token 3.0 consumed or swapped to project tokens at $0.20. I'm just taking an example. I'll repeat it as many times as possible for you all not to presume that this is happening. These are just numbers to help you understand. I'm just taking an example, right? So 592 divided by $0.20. This gives 2,960 Solana coins for you, right? So you now have project tokens. How many? 2,960. Now let us assume that on the very first day you cashed out only. Let us assume that you on the very first day you are cashing out 2,960 Solana, all the coins, and the project goes public at 0.90, right? Maybe 0.20. Let's keep it 0.20. So in a way, your 592 token 3.0 have been cashed out to $592 on the very first day. Is it fair enough? You are still compounding. You are still gonna claim 4,408 tokens 3.0. You have just consumed this thing, right? So now I believe Solana has a potential. So I only cashed out 500 tokens on the very first day at $0.20. Then I held some tokens, then 1,000 tokens I cashed out at a value of maybe $5. And the remaining $1,000, maybe I'll cash out at $10. And the remaining 400 tokens, 460 tokens, I might cash out at the price got reduced and maybe at $2, right? Even in a year, if I'm making this amount, maybe in a year, if I'm making this amount, this gives, one of the best strategic position for me to participate in this crypto bull run, right? Can you see the potential, right? And if Binance is backing a project, it has Chavez has mentioned that it has a potential to grow like up to 80x, 80x. So if this project is available at $1, like whatever is coming is available at $1, and if it goes to 80, maybe just forget 80, just $20, $30, maybe $10, maybe somewhere towards the end of 2025, $80. So with just minimum number of tokens, you can make up to 10x, 20x, 15x. It all depends on you. But over here, the profit and loss is absolutely your responsibility and your decision. If Chavez has made, in a way, has allowed us to cash out on the very first day, his responsibility is over. All right. So this sheet will give you another dimension to the proper understanding of the project. So $1,000 again, the same example, potential 5x, $5,000, date of purchase 19th of October. I'm taking the same example. Or maybe let me just switch my account. Let me stop sharing. Let me pause. Okay. So now you can see the another account in which I have purchased a package of $1,000. So this is gonna give me $5,000. And right now, can you see over here the compounded? You know, this was bought at 19th of September. 19th of September. So let us put the numbers over here. So $1,000, 19th of September, vested capital $350, and compounding started from the very next day, 20th of 19th of September, 1909. So compounding started from 20th of September. So if you go to the dashboard and if you go to the details over here, Capital 3.0 tokens over here, and if you scroll through the last page, you can see from 20th of September, the compounding started. And the first reward that I received was 6.86. From every reward, 2% admin fees is deducted. So overall, you make 2% less. You know, that is okay, admin fees, because it's a withdrawal, right? So first day, 6.8, and your total available ROC, return on capital, is 6.86. Now on the second day, you receive 6.99, 6.99, and you have in a way now rewards of 13.87. So the next day, what will happen? The 350 plus $13 will be invested, and in a way you will make $7.13 in rewards, $7.30, and your total is now $20. So this way, if you calculate the date today, this is Capital 3.0, and today it's 13th, 14th of October. All right. So as you can see, on 14th of October, I have accumulated almost 2,208 tokens. So 14th of October, you can track this sheet from the number of days. If you want to calculate number of days from here, you can use this column, number of days. If you want to go through the dates, you can go through these dates. So 14th of October, like you can see, okay, I think business closing is not yet done, so we will consider 13th of October. So 13th of October, 2,208 tokens over here. Can you see this? Right, 208 tokens, 208 tokens over here. All right. So now let us assume that the next allocation is coming on 30th of November. I'm just taking an example. I'm just taking an example. So I started on 19th, and from 20th, I started receiving the tokens. So on 30th of November, I would have accumulated 1,084. So let's track this number. So if I started the Capital 3.0, so it's 1,084 over here, right? And let us take an example of David, and he is starting from maybe what it is today, maybe from 20th of October, right? Maybe from 20th of October. So by 30th of November, how much he would have accumulated? 429. 30th of November, 429. So for him, it would be 41 days, and for me, it would be more than 50 days. So how much it was? 429, 30th of November. So 429. Can you see the difference? If this coin at whatever volume we have accumulated, but we are holding it until the price goes to maybe $10. See the difference. How much I will be making and how much David will be making. So your timing is very important, because through compounding, you will realize the bigger your interest amount gets, the bigger your interest volumes, more and more you can see this. Towards the end of your tenure, the compounding, you will make more money. So it's very important for you to start as early as possible, because only with that you will have number of tokens through which you have the potential of making maybe not just 5x, maybe 10x to 100x. This is how much? This is 10x, right? $1,000, 10x to $10,000, right? And how many tokens you have just consumed? 592. With 592, you have this potential. Just imagine you are still left with 4,408 tokens. Also, next allocation may be in December, next allocation may be in February or January, next allocation may be in April. And with Chavez and his expertise, he is going to make sure that we continue with this product for like even in the bearish trend. So Capital 3.0 is a strategically designed product, all backed by research and resources as well, of course. So if you realize the potential of Capital 3.0 and how much value this can deliver to this community, you will realize that even a common person or even a layman person who has no knowledge of market, who doesn't understand finance, even he will be able to make at least 5x from this. Not just, in a couple of months, but yes, gradually and eventually he is going to make 5x to 10x. I hope you all got a clarity on how Capital 3.0 has been designed and developed and how much value it can deliver. So that will be all from the presentation side, and thank you so much for joining on this call. And we'll take a couple of questions limited to Capital 3.0. After that, we will conclude the session. So over to you, Grace. Thank you so much, everybody.